finally reached our hostel. Finally in my room. So I'll be arranging all of it. It's arranged video. Room country, so it's messy as well. So now let's start the cleaning and stuff. So this is the condition of my room at the moment. See. Barcedo. Say. So let me do the cleaning and stuff now. Yeah. And by the way, mula my plants, my green plants. Pani sab khud mujhe full ragi dishna pani tabe nai re pani nai utu de pani nai tati nai de la mora mori che pani la dehydrate amina mori che mora basic. Let's keep watering these plants like more than couple of months, and yeah, they're all dead, so I have to make them alive again. Next plant. Yeah, room fresh tagina. We get fresh air. Oh, you pani makai man pani nai. Sabse do ये pani खाना और ये दिtam murabi moriche. This is a very bad plant and then it's dead now. And I hope this will be alive. Jindo oni ki do snake plant do. You can survive in the so I think this will be alive for sure. It will like this. Yes, it looks good. Look what's there. Clean grabby, it's not easy, nah. So yeah, I'll do my wash up and stuff already which there, but careful, and then that will be the end of my vlog for today after this stuff. So as for now, look, this will be my bed, share, and my study table, and here we keep our books and stuff. Yeah, see. This side though, clean one. This roommate will come on next day, so just for now mula back to ide, and then later I'll be cleaning it again. So yeah. So hello everyone, now it's time for dinner. Moi dikhai dibo hostel de mon bat kina pai or kina khaina moi to dikhai dibo there. This is hostel aloo, rice, and this chutney I brought is akunina and king chili do yep mucha there and satibani do meat pickle with akuni I think no meat pickle alone to ajido inya kaude and I think yeah I'm gonna end my vlog here because bisi lambao le to manu sauli mon na thagina to hostel de pungchina muido nya buina se so this is how I'm living and where I'm living so it will update the assembly kane and then thank you everyone for supporting my channel till to this extent or like support creative maybe yeah my views pe bisi nahi de mula channel de but then I am not discouraged with that you know my like memory kane bhi banai and like a part of my hobby na my vlogging to India na so then support kuli moi bhi grow ko and then I will be able to make a good content bhi banao parbo na manu support krise bole yeah like I'll get more motivation na for all this yeah see so everyone thank you so much for connecting with me and good night good night bhi koi dishe le moi ekta bite dikhai do moi chicken chili khadna maybe chicken chili to khao pare de good night try them